Vaccine clinics statewide opening back up today to get COVID shots into the arms of Hoosiers. The weather forced many clinics to close yesterday and reschedule appointments for today. Many health officials say they're looking forward to safely keeping up with vaccinations.
Our message to everyone is just safety first. Don't put yourself at immediate risk to try to get there to get your vaccine. If you need to reschedule, the 211 phone number that the state has provided is the best way to do that if you want to be proactive about that.
Officials at several clinics and hospitals tell us they worked with the state to make sure they got enough vaccine doses before the storm hit.